Hi everyone, lip volumizer. Heard of something like that? No? Want to see a demo? Yes, then keep on watching. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Now today I am going to have a with you all first impression on this particular product, which is from MyGlam. It is their lip volumizer. On my community I had asked you all whether you want a review on this particular product or no. Lot of you people wanted the review, but because of the price point you were like, no Meghna, it is very costly, we are not going to buy, so you don't review. Then I will tell you few of the tips and tricks if you want to buy this product, how you can buy, but for that you do have to keep on watching the full video. But before that, first we'll talk about the outer packaging of this particular product. It is from MyGlam Pout Out Loud. This is the lip volumizer instant mega plumping lip gloss. This is the outer packaging of the lip volumizer. You can see it is made in South Korea. It is made in South Korea, and this is the back side of the product. Okay, what it says, it is MyGlam lip volumizer instant mega plumping lip gloss. They have given you the ingredients, manufactured and everything. Net quantity you do get is 2.9 grams. The cost, the MRP is 699 rupees. The shelf life what you are going to get is for 2 years, January 21, and it is good for to use till January 23. So shelf life is 2 years. They have given their customer care number, but it is of no use if you will dial right now their customer care number. They are not available, so you do have to only mail them. I have done that all struggle, so I'll tell you each and everything in this video. So definitely don't dial the customer care number. My experience I'm sharing with you. You can mail them. On mail they are very prompt in giving you the reply, and it is made in South Korea. That is what is given over here. It is gluten free, SLS free, phthalate and paraben free, mineral oil free, and it is cruelty free brand. That is what is given over here. Every detail is given, right? And after opening, this is good to use to 18 months, not 2 even years, 18 months. That is what is given over here when this symbol is given. So you all know, after opening the container or after opening anything, if this symbol is given, that means it is good for that particular time. When you talk about the inner packaging, it is kind of a rose gold. Right now I think rose gold is in trend. Each and every brand is having one or the other product in rose gold. This is a rose gold packaging. You all can see MyGlam symbol. When you turn over here, they have given you MyGlam lip volumizer. I think that is what is written. Yes, lip volumizer. And the other detail, see, you all can see. I don't think if it is visible. They say MyGlam lip volumizer instant mega plumping lip gloss. They have given you the net volume and everything. Let me see whether in manufacturing and expiry is written on this or not. If not, then you have to mark somewhere. I don't think one second. Yeah, it is there on the cap. It is there, but it is very tiny. But yes, it is there. Yes, manufacturing and expiry is given over here, but I don't think the camera will capture. It is given over here. I don't think it will capture, but it is there. So definitely you can. You want to throw away, you can. This is there. It comes in this kind of brush tip, and you have to click from the back. Now what I'll do is I'll just go off the camera. I'll just remove my lipstick and I'll come back. Yes, already removed the lipstick. This is the outer packaging of MyGlam. Not a sponsored video. I'm just making some points very clear, because then I get some comments that this is a sponsored video and everything. This is the bill from MyGlam. Okay, while ordering the product from MyGlam, there were a lot of glitches which I faced. I will just tell you side by side. By the time I'll just try to remove the product and I'll try to swatch on my hand, because this is a click pen, so I'm not sure when it will come out. When I went ahead to purchase this product, it was continuously, they were having some offer, but I was getting only 300 and 350 rupees some off, whereas one of my subscribers, she told me that she is getting more offer. So I was like, I was having a great argument with MyGlam, and they were like, if you have got a See, you all can see. Can you see? Some pink kind of. Now I'll apply this first on my lips. Let me see. Yes. Now you all can see. I'll just apply a little bit on my hand just to show you the swatch. I'm not sure whether the camera will capture, but trying to give you a swatch. Can you see? This is the actually texture of the lipstick. You all can see. It is tingling. So they say once it tingles, that means it is affecting. It is a instant volume boost, high gloss finish, long lasting effect, hydrates and protects. This instant lip plumping gloss gives you a pout, that mega feel, that's just a little bit extra. You will fall in love with its super long lasting effect combined with maximum hydration and shine. If it tingles, you know it's working. That is what is telling you. See, basically I don't want to give you the name, but you all must have seen Too Faced lip injection. In that they have such kind of lip injections. When you apply, they'll tingle and they'll give you a mega kind of lip volume. They'll give you a kind of effect that your lip size is increased. That is, it is going to give you a pout kind of lips. That is what they claim generally. I am not sure whether this is given me or no. This is right now my lips. Can you see? And if at all you feel this makeup is different, what Meghna does generally and all, then definitely I would like to tell you, before filming this video, I had filmed one video. It is on their BB cream. It is from Bellora Paris. I'm not sure that video will be up first or this video. If this video, that is the BB cream video, is first, then I'll give you that video link in the I button as well as in the description box. I have applied, I have given you my first impression on that product. Now I'll just tell you few of the details about this product, because when I'm opening my mouth, I can feel even that tingle in my mouth also. I'll just tell you few details. My Glam Lip Volumizer Instant Mega Plumping Lip Gloss. Give it to me quick. Dramatic plumping effect for up to 5 hours. Spicy tingling sensation on application. Yes, of course, I am feeling that. Safe to use on lips. Clickable pen that releases tinted gloss. Has a sheer pink tint. Yes, I agree with that. Skin suits all skin types. Okay. Has a vanilla fragrance. Yes, it has. Non-sticky, super glossy finish. Leaves you with a supple, shiny and plump lips. It is cruelty free, vegan, paraben free, phthalate free, mineral oil, gluten free and D5 free. That is what is each and everything given. Right. Now I'll just tell you one important thing over here I would like to get into your notice is they have given you caution. That is, this product is highly concentrated and should only be used in spare amount, unlike a regular lip gloss. Don't use it regularly, otherwise it may or it can cause some defect or damage on your lips. Okay, they have told you spare amount and regular lip gloss. Don't use it that way. Fine. Second thing, if spicy tingly sensation is unbearable, please remove the product with a gentle makeup remover. Gentle makeup remover. Do not wash with water or rub your lips. Don't wash it with water. Keep in mind that also. And it is created with natural extracts and will gradually fade away. They say that once if you have tingling sensation, it will fade away gradually. Actually, my point of getting this particular lip gloss was that only lot of people, you must have seen lot of reviews, because I know lot of people have already reviewed this product, but I think, I'm not sure whether they have covered this point or no. And whenever you are watching my video, I want to make it sure, though my length of the videos will be little bit more, but definitely please watch full video. You will get each and every detailed information about the product, because I try to give you all the information from my side. So that is what I wanted to tell you. And this is like after application on the hand and on my lips. This is on my lips, and right now in the mirror also I can see my lips has become little bit pink. So I'm not sure it is because of this lipstick, lip gloss, or why. I'm not sure, but I can make out. Now you will say plumping. Okay, not much, but yeah, I can see a little bit plumped effect because my lips are very thin. So, and that you have to tell me whether y'all can see any kind of plumping effect. And they say you can apply it on your other lipstick also. So what I'll do is I'll just remove this, I'll apply on the other lipstick, and we will see. You want me to do that? No, I don't think, otherwise actually the brush will get spoiled, because this is a lip gloss, the brush will get spoiled. So what we'll do, we'll just keep it as it is, and if possible I'll attach a picture. After applying this lip gloss on the lipstick, I'll attach a picture for you all, so that you will have a better idea. If possible, I'll see what I can do. So right now I want to keep it on my lips, because if it is given me a plump effect, I want to see till how much time I am getting that effect, and I'll give you my final like you can say ki after 4-5 hours what is my final observation. I'll pin you in the comment section, so you can check that what are my final thoughts after 4-5 hours. Yeah, I have covered basically each and every point, but still if you have anything to ask me, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Few of the points I forgot to tell you just before wrapping up. MyGlam has different discount codes for different people. Some will get some codes, some will not get, but if you will apply that code in your cart, it will not get applied. Okay, unlike like other websites, they have, if you apply the same code on the other, it gets applied, but over here it will not. Initially MyGlam's free shipping was above 199. They have increased their shipping. Now our free shipping is above 399. So that also you have to keep in mind. As well as MyGlam products are now easily available on Purplle also. I just saw today in the morning. It is Manish Malhotra collection, and everything is almost 50% off. So if you do not want to buy directly from MyGlam, you can go ahead and you can buy it from Purplle. I'll give you my referral code from MyGlam also. I have one referral code. If you want to use that, definitely go ahead and use that. You will get some discount on your offer, on your order. But keep in mind, free shipping is above 399. Earlier it was 199. Now in this, as I told you earlier, I was not having that particular code, so I had a strong argument with them. Then after keeping this product in my cart for 3 days, they sent me a code. That code, when I applied, it was 500 rupees off code. But mind well, hear me out properly. So 699 less 500 gives you 199, right? But now they have increased their shipping. That is above 199. The product should be above 199. Even 199 will not do, I'm not sure. So I had to pay shipping on this. Anyways, I paid the shipping. I got this product for around 300 rupees or something. I got this for 300 rupees. So do check out for the offer codes and referral codes and everything, and then only buy any product. That is what my suggestion is. Yeah, I think I have covered each and every point. Still, if you have any query, let me know in the comment section. If you have any video suggestions, that also you can let me know. I'll give you my Instagram handle also. Follow me over there. If you have any query, you can ask me over there. If you are watching till here, that means you are liking my content. Please don't go without liking. Your one like will encourage me to make more such videos. And yeah, where are you going? Have you liked the video? No, not yet. Please like the video right now. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.